Hi, I'm Payton, Program Director for the Center for Spirituality and Nature. I'm in a little gorge in the hills behind my home, and just a patch of shade from a little elderberry tree. Just weeks ago, I would have said that I was sitting next to a burned out old stump. In fact, I came up into these hills while the wildfires were burning through communities nearby, thinking that I might need to cut it down, that it might just be more fuel for embers and sparks carried by the winds. But when I looked closely, I saw that growing right along this old stump, in the burned out husk of its elder, was a new elderberry tree. Elderberries and most angiosperms have this capacity for regeneration and regrowth. They have epicormic sprouts that are these dormant buds that allow these trees to come back from the brink. They have rhizomal networks that store carbohydrates and preserve fresh buds for new growth, even when a tree has been wounded, cut down, or even severely burned like this one. With everything going on in the world right now, all of the fear and anxiety that we seem to be holding, I needed evidence of renewal. And so instead of cutting down an old snag in the hills, I pruned away dead branches, whatever might be blocking sunlight or choking back new growth. And I left the stump in place because that elder is still holding the main stem of a new elderberry tree. And I wonder if there are dormant buds in all of us. Buried rhizomes and epicormic sprouts just waiting for the right conditions to bring renewal even when it's hard to stay hopeful. Whatever it is, waiting to grow in you. From myself in the center, and from an old elderberry finding new ways to grow in the harshest of conditions. We're sending light and love and all wild blessings.